Good afternoon, class. Welcome to week 4. So this week we're going to wrap up chapter 1 and prepare for your first exam. In section 1.7, you're going to learn how to work with inverse functions, how to write the equation, and how to interpret the meaning of an inverse function. So let's suppose you have a function f of x. So you have some input value and some output value. When you take f of x and you solve the equation or the function for the other variable, meaning you solve it for the output variable, then that gives you a second function, which we can rename f negative 1 of y. That function is now the inverse of f of x. So basically, to find the inverse of a function, if you have the equation of the function, just solve the equation for the other variable using inverse operations. And so basically, an inverse function, it just reverses the roles of inputs and outputs and switches them. And then in section 1.9, we're going to learn how to combine functions using the basic operations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. By Wednesday, I'm going to post a practice exam. It's not going to count for a grade, but it's just going to have several questions, and I'll go ahead and give you the answers as well for you to practice making sure that the Lockdown browser application on your computer works, and also just for you to kind of play around with how to type mathematical notations and how to type in your work when you're taking a math test online. So basically, I'll set that all up for you by Wednesday so that you can check your systems, make sure everything is working, and again give you a chance to kind of play around with taking an online math exam if you've never done that before. So continue to work on this week's assignments, watch the lecture videos, and then don't forget to email me or come see me during office hours if you have any questions. Okay guys, I'll send out more information throughout the week, so just make sure you're checking your emails. Bye guys.